Hi and welcome to the Trade to Success University training course introduction. I am of course Kumar and I'll be presenting this training through on-screen videos where I will be showing you step by step from scratch, so you don't need any sort of previous experience or knowledge, exactly what to do in order to make income from home from the forex market. I'm really happy that you've chosen my course to help make you financially free. Firstly, because I know there's nothing out there that comes close to the power that my training course will give you. And secondly, I'm glad that you're learning something that will actually have a positive impact on your financial life. There is so much junk out there that isn't even real, and countless students keep telling me how they've searched all over the internet for something legit that actually works. And they finally found it here. So I'm glad, because I know in a way I'm helping you end that search and I'm putting you on the right path of how to actually make money working from home. Now, this is a professional financial freedom home study course. As explained before, the training is very, very powerful and will empower you for the rest of your financial future to constantly make money from the forex market whenever you want. I'm going to be taking you module by module through this course. Each module is delivered weekly and normally comes with an exercise to do before the following module is released. At the start of the following module, I will go over the answers to the previous week's exercise through on-screen videos, so you can hear me and watch me talk through the answers on screen. There is an extensive use of examples. This really helps quicken and simplify the learning process for you, and will help with your understanding of this training course a lot more. You're going to now start learning the very same thing that made me financially free. And I'm really excited for you, because I know how amazing your life will be if you actually follow out my training. I've got ultimate freedom, and I love that I can share that with others. I've helped many people finally have a direction in life with forex trading. I've seen them change from a fearful, financially unsuccessful person into these confident, financially abundant and super successful people. Money being made in abundance unlocks the creativity in you to live a life worth living. And I see that when you have lots of money, you push to help others succeed in life, because you've got so much money coming in and you know there's more than enough to go around, that you actually start helping other people. Now, maybe I wouldn't be like this if I just started out in trading and hadn't made good money, but as I've already told you, it doesn't matter if I bring thousands of people on board and teach them, it's not going to affect the amount of money I make. And as I started teaching people, I actually started to enjoy it. Moreover, I felt great when people actually started to succeed with my training and actually started becoming successful. That gratitude and feedback that I got back from them made me feel really good. And the best thing is, it's not affecting how much money I make. And so helping others succeed in life has become a big part of my life. So that's what's being done here. And believe me, the forex gives you the potential to earn thousands, if not millions of dollars. It's here for the taking. All you have to do is just take it. This is Kumar for Trade to Success University. Start the course now, and I'll see you in the next video.